Here comes your pre-market summary for Monday, October 24th. Futures back in positive territory in early trading so far. However, a few negative spots to be aware of this morning, coming off a pretty negative performance for Asian markets overnight. Chinese stocks right across the board. Downside in a big way. We got GDP numbers coming out of that country that were only in line with expectations. They were expecting things to be a huge beat to the upside. More indications that the Chinese government will lean more towards ideology, I should say, versus economic growth going forward as well. Here's how things look right now. 0.75 for the S&P. 0.83 there for the Dow, the Nasdaq about 0.5%. Positivity down here, helping some of the crypto-related stocks as well. 1.25 for Bitcoin, 3% already for Ethereum. A few things of note to be aware of this morning. Futures downside initially, but we are starting to push back to the upside with yields coming off as well, both the 10-year and the 2-year back to the downside. U.S. dollar is still showing a little bit of strength here in early trading. Tesla on watch this morning. A couple of downgrades on Tesla price target cuts as well. They cut prices over in China by 9% for both the Model 3 and the Model Y. We'll talk about Tesla coming up this morning, but yeah, it's all things China this morning. ADR is getting absolutely crushed so far. Alibaba down 12% at one point. JD.com as well, not any better at this point. I mean, really pick one. You're going to find it sharply lower. There's an NIO coming off a green day on Friday. We're gapping below $10, if you can believe that, on NIO this morning. Meta back on watch as well. Meta with a downgrade this morning from both Bank of America and Mizuho under pressure here in early trading ahead of a monster week of earnings. Haven't mentioned that coming up. We get Apple, we get Google, we get Amazon, we get Meta, we get them all coming up this week. It's going to be a huge one. A little small cap moving around here this morning. This PCVX up on a pneumococcal vaccine trial that came in better than expected. Grab the watch list, guys. On its way out to you right now. Comes right to your inbox. All you have to do is hit that link. QR code bottom corner right now. Enter your email address and it'll just appear in your inbox every single morning. Join us at 8:30. We're live coming up here on TraderTV.Live.